Hello friends, welcome to our channel. Today markets are closed neutrally and Sensex reaches 54,554 points and Nifty 50 reaches 16,280 points. Nifty 58 36,034 points. July economic report says that rapid progression in vaccination has set the further accelerate economic recovery. The movement of high frequency indicators in July clearly point towards a broad based economic revival. And in this report, inflation is likely to smoothen out over the coming months. And both economy and society are at crucial inflection point to build coordination with another. Mahindra and Mahindra company offers vehicles to recall for the inspection and replacement of a fluid pipe in a suspect batch. And these batches from January 2020 and February 2021 for suspension of improper assembly. This is a batch of 29,878 vehicles. Sona BLW Precision Forgings place 33% in 2 days. Maruti Suzuki company offers 60,000 discount for some selected models for the month of August. Motherson Sumi Systems consistent net profit of 2.9 billion rupees. Q1 EBITDA rupees 12.2 billion rupees versus 16.25 billion rupees on quarter. Q1 EBITDA margin 7.6%. Motherson Sumi supply chain disputes due to semiconductor and other material shortages globally likely to be headwinds for OEM production in the near term. Vodafone Idea has increased of its postpaid plans and minimum plan now starts from $399 per month. Max Healthcare Institute Q1 EBITDA rupees 2.4 billion rupees versus 873.2 millions on year-on-year basis. 1.68 billion rupees on quarter. Q1 EBITDA margin at 24.4% versus 13.41% on year-on-year basis. Comparison of quarter 20.96%. Warful, an electronic company. Warful Q1 earnings. Profit at 25.5 crores, 60% change on year-on-year. Revenue at 1340 crores, 30% change on year-on-year. EBITDA at 55.5 crores, 18.9% change. Margin at 4.1% at 400 basis points. Everyday Industries EBITDA at 590.4 million versus 412 million on year-on-year change. 409 on quarter change. EBITDA margin at 20.93% versus 15.67% on year-on-year change and quarter comparison 15.03%. Company Q1 consistent net profit at 301 million rupees versus net profit at 250 million rupees on year-on-year change. Q1 revenue at 2.82 billion rupees. CAM Computer Age Management System reports Q1 earnings. Net profit up to 58.8% at 63.2 crore versus 39.8 crores year-on-year change. Revenue up to 35.4% at 201 crore versus 148 crores on year-on-year change. EBITDA up to 81.1% at 92.9 crore versus 51.3 crores year-on-year change. EBITDA margin at 46.2% versus 34.5% on year-on-year change. And thanks for watching our video, friends. Please do like, comment, share and subscribe to our channel for latest videos. Thank you. Take care.